I'm Christie Thompson, and I fell off a ladder and broke my wrist from about 3 feet up and fell on an outstretched hand. Went to get a cast on, and the surgeon and his assistant I asked them if I needed surgery, and they said, as long as you don't move and twist your arm, you shouldn't need surgery. So I didn't move my arm for 5 weeks. So all of these muscles atrophied, and I started having a lot of nerve issues and a lot of hand pain. And my therapist mentioned CRPS, because my hand was on fire and it was swollen and it was red, and I started looking. I didn't know what that was, so I went online looking up what CRPS was, and I found Huang's videos, and she was explaining it, and she was explaining what stiff hand was, and she has all this amazing information online. And I started looking at her YouTube channel, and I just found a hope for the first time, and none of the therapists I had met had given me any hope. And I'm gonna cry and ruin the video. But the hope was amazing, and my husband said, I haven't seen you have hope in weeks. So
very true.
Hands-on therapy was 5 hours away from us in Miami, and we drove, and it's the best thing I've done. And finding someone who seems like they care and seems like they know what they're doing is a really big deal.
Telehealth appointment help you better understand your condition, and what made you feel like we were really worth traveling for?
Okay, so the very first thing I did was call to ask questions, and we were thinking we'd come down here, and we found out they had a virtual appointment. So I wanted to talk to her about my situation, because I had seen a hand therapist and a physical therapist and a surgeon, and I even went to a chiropractor and a massage therapist, and none of them seemed to answer my questions. None of them seemed to know what I was dealing with or why I was experiencing the things I was experiencing. And from watching her YouTube videos, I thought that Huang might actually understand what was going on with me and answer my questions. So I made an appointment with her, which wasn't cheap, but I thought, you know what, this is my hand and this is my life, and I need answers, and this lady seems like she might have answers. So I called, made a virtual appointment. She spent an hour on the phone with me, asking me questions no one else had asked me, having me do movements that no one else had asked me to do, and then answering my questions and helping me understand what I was going through and validating what I was going through and offering me hope. And I spent 2 weeks doing the things that she told me how to do. And in those 2 weeks, some of my numbness and my pain and the fire hand went away. The symptoms that made me think I had CRPS and would have it the rest of my life because there's no cure for it went away within 2 weeks of doing the things she told me to do. And my husband said, maybe she can help you more. Maybe she can help you more with the range of movement. And if she can help you with that, let's just go down and let her see you in person. So here we are. And we're going to do 3 appointments in 3 days. And I'm really glad we came.
What improvements have you noticed in you already said your pain, but your movement, your daily activities, how do you feel now?
She made me not afraid to move, telling me what I could do. I had asked other people what I could do and what I couldn't do. And the other therapists put me through heat therapy, and they would move my hand around, but they wouldn't answer my questions or tell me what to do at home. They told me to do these movements at home, and that was it. And so she gave me more exercises to do and explained to me why and what to do. And I started using my hand, and I started feeling okay using my hand, and I wasn't afraid to use my arm. And she says I'm still compensating, and we're gonna work on that.
Who has been told that there's nothing more they can do, and who feels like they're not getting answers?
That's exactly where I was not getting answers and feeling like there was nothing else I was going to do. And I would say that I hope she's not the only person in the world that can help, but she is someone who can help. And it gave me hope, and it helped me be able to not be afraid to use my hand and arm. And I believe now I'm going to get completely better. And I went through a really bad depression thinking I was never going to not be in pain again. I don't have all my motion back. I don't have my strength back. But I'm not in constant pain after finding this place.
Wow. Thank you.
The progress that Huang has helped Christie achieve in such a short time has been incredible. Trust is a difficult issue for Christie, and Wong has earned her trust, and in the process has freed not only her arm but her spirit.
Wow.